Okay, this is the update on the Harbor Freight 1000 watt to 2000 watt inverter. Everything works good on it. It's pretty quiet. The fan comes on once in a while. But yeah, you can see I got it hooked to this. I had it hooked to my fridge. So, going on for 6 hours and off for 6 hours. But yeah, the fridge would run for the whole amount of time. So something's kind of funny with that. Those modified sine wave inverters from Harbor Freight. But yeah, so my fridge would run all the time, and then I got it hooked up to this little stove here, and you can hear it make a buzzing noise. Well, see, it's not even coming on now. Yeah, the light's not even coming on. But oh, I don't got the power on. I forgot I turned it off. Okay, here it goes now. Hear that buzzing noise? So yeah, it doesn't do that. That noise when I'm on the grid, you'll see perfectly quiet. So I don't know if you guys want to run that inverter to run your some of your appliances, but just wanted to update you guys on that this Harbor Freight inverter. Okay, good inverter. You just can't do a few things on it. But yeah, my TV still works good. It doesn't buzz. And oh yeah, this deal here. Oh yeah, my microwave, my little microwave here. It was running it, but it was kind of like lagging a little bit. So I didn't want to keep it on it because, you know, I don't want to burn that up. But oh yeah, and this thing right here wouldn't power up. It kept making a buzzing noise too. And this is just a little plug adapter surge protector deal. But yeah, my TV runs good. I have no problems with that. But anyways, I just wanted to update you guys on that, on this Harbor Freight 1000 watt inverter.